Good day, my viewers, and how's everything? I've come again today to our online power academy. It's one and only your son, Oginni Ayoola, your online power academy facilitator. As I said earlier, today I'm not coming to talk more. I want to go into the calculation aspect of our fuse. You know, last time in our lectures I talked about expulsion fuse, which most of us call GMP fuse. And if you want to know the clarification, you can just watch the last lecture and you have the explanation of that. But today, you know, on our substations, the fuse is a protective device that will break or cut in case of overvoltage or overcurrent to protect our transformer. So all those transformer fuse, high rating fuse that you see, they are of different rating. We have that of 26 amps, we have that of 15 amps, we have so many ratings. But how do we come about those ratings? So that's what I want to do today. So I call today's topic as fuse rating. I said it, fuse rating. And fuse rating is just the rating on the primary side of the transformer. You will see it. It is on the expulsion foil fuse link. They put it there to protect our transformer. So what formula are we using for fuse rating? We use our normal formula. P is equal to IV root 3, where our P is the power of our transformer. What do I mean? I mean, what I'm saying is, you can see from our board here, where our P is equal to IV root 3. Our P is the capacity of our transformer, which can be in what? In kVA or in MVAs. So it can be 500 kVA, 200 kVA, 100 kVA, and in MVAs, it can be 1 MVA, 15 MVA, 5 MVA. So that can have capacity in rating of kVA. While we have our V to be what? The voltage level. We have series of voltage level. We have 11 kV, we have 33 kV, we have 132 and 133. Depending on the voltage level you are operating on. So why our fuse rating is what is I, which is our load current we are trying to calculate. The limiting load whereby that GMP fuse should cut. So now we're not going to our calculation. Why root 3 is just the 3-phase we are talking about, because we are using the 3-phase line. So now what is the calculation like now? So if you can look at our board, the question is, how can you calculate the fuse rating for 500 kVA, 11/0400 kV? What does that mean? The capacity is 500 kVA. The voltage level that is supplying this transformer is what? 11 kV, while the primary side is 400. Since we are looking for the GMP, the expulsion fuse rating of that will protect that transformer, we will concentrate on our high voltage side, which is this formula. P is equal to IV root 3. So where our high is the fuse rating, which is the load current we are looking at, then our P is equal to V root 3. Where our P is what is the capacity of the transformer, which is 500 kVA, divided by 11 kVA, which is the voltage level of this primary side, which is 11, multiplied by the root. So when we do all our calculations and everything, it gives us 26.2 amps. So meaning if you want to fuse a transformer of a 500 kVA, you'll be left with what? 26 amps. Now I will do another question, another calculation for us, then I will now give us a classwork. I think you understand it. So now for 300 kVA, let me say for 500 kVA, 33,400 now. Let me just do that one for us shortly. So for calculation for 500 kVA, 33,400. This one is for 33 kV. The other one is for 11 kV. They have different fuse rating. So for that one, you use the same formula, which is P is equal to IV. You do all your calculation with whatever of the team. Then for 500 kV, is the calculation. Instead of 11 kV, which is the primary source, you put 33 kV. So you do your calculation. So the fuse rating for 33 kV is going to be 8.75. I think you'll be able to understand something today. So now this is how to calculate the fuse rating for your transformer. Thank you for today. So now I will not be able to give us the classwork. So I will give us the classwork right now. I want to drop the classwork inside in my box, and I know you are going to learn a lot from them. So now don't just reason it. Once they get okay, go and get a fuse rating for 200 kVA. You should know the calculation. Very simple. In our class, next class, we'll be looking at the fuse rating, the percentage loading of a transformer. Why do we calculate that? Why do we go for load shedding? So I'm sure you'll be able to learn something. So these are classwork for today. So I'll just share the classwork for us. Then we are good to go. Don't forget to like this post, share and comment. Thank you. So you can just check our classwork out and just submit my listing. Check it out very well. So please, if you have any question to ask me, just put it in my box and I will reply it. But I'm sure you'll be able to understand this thing. So if you can't understand, feel free to call my number and I know you will be liberated. So don't worry, we'll see you in the next class. Thank you for staying tuned. Bye for now. Thank you.